Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your archived chats in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you're logged into your ChatGPT account so you can get access to your archived chats or all chats that you have archived a long time ago, for example. So here in the bottom left, you're going to find your profile icon. Make sure you click on it so you can go to settings. Click on data controls, and here are archive chats. Make sure you click on manage. Here you're gonna find all your archived chats, so you can choose the one that you wanna get access to, or maybe that you wanna unarchive. You can just click on this icon right here. For example, this one, I'm just gonna click here. They vanish from here because it's not archived anymore. Click here, and once you go back, you're just gonna find it here with the other chats that are not archived. That is all you need to do. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you think this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.